GBTC, Fubo Lemonade, very fine foods. Not being very fine. Fubo, dead. Lemonade. Morning, Rob. Morning, Mohammed. Sorry, a little late here today, guys. All right, Tesla looks like it's off to a good start. Nice little gappy gap. And Apple's right behind it. Into highs here. Buddy Baidu yesterday. I screwed that trade up. And it looks like today it's coming in here on the open. Pretty good volume. See if that stabilizes or not. Pretty good though. And then Nvidia coming down today. I did enter an Nvidia position yesterday. A little bit early. Wasn't great. Yeah, right, Mohammed. That sounds about right. I don't think you're wrong there. That's for sure. I don't think you're wrong there. So Bitcoin going through a little bit of a distribution right now. It looks like some of the Bitcoin derivatives are down towards the bottom of our list. NIO towards the top of the triangle here. Not really doing much though. Actually, it looks like is doing something. Up here at 49, playing with our declining trend line as Tesla pulls in a little bit. And see, I got my little list here. Been working on for the past several days. Big names that are looking to break out but haven't quite done it yet. Amazon still basing. Apple still basing there. Microsoft, which is also trying to break a triangle trend line, not really doing much. Adobe still sideways in the handle. Nvidia, I got in early. I may want to bail on half of that position. Booking, still looking good. FLGT, tightening up here past couple of days. I guess yesterday. NIO, which is playing with the top of its trend line. And Baidu, which is trying to find some support here after a morning sell-off after a fantastic day yesterday. I think it was up 12%. Just a spectacular day for Baidu. So good day for Baidu. All right, it's even up 3% today. Geez, is Bitcoin bouncing back? They're not. They're actually down 2%. So I wonder what the deal is there. That's interesting. Super interesting. All right, so yeah, Riot. Look at Riot. Nice right there. I'm not sure how this company is valued in terms of its stock. Gotta be honest, I'm just not quite sure. Obviously, they're going to be profitable over a certain dollar amount per BTC, so could be really good for them. VFF, yeah, we're kind of at a should be supported here. Otherwise, we're going to have issues. On the weekly chart, we got up, decently close to that spike high of 18, topping out at about 13. So it's going to be one of those. It's going to be a tough one. I'm up good on it, but it didn't look terrible yet to ditch. Yeah, it doesn't look terrible to ditch. I do agree with you on that. No issues with that. Um, yeah, until it does. I mean, it's gonna. Yeah, the thing is just to take the profits out. You know what I mean? So, morning, Ellie. All right, so the Nasdaq past couple days hasn't really made a move upwards. This is the last trading day in 2020, and obviously the market will not be open tomorrow in observance of New Year's Day, and yeah, whatever that means. So we'll be back on Monday. Um, but yeah, I don't think we're bad at all. You think Tesla's a BTC of stocks? Absolutely, it is. And if all you have is Tesla and BTC, you're pretty good. You're in good shape. So yeah, we actually even blew past the fake high of 695 with a high this morning of 703.74. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Adobe meeting Tesla. I told you guys I like this Adobe double bottom with a little handle right here. I think this is super cool. AITX in recent highs. Go AITX. Oh yeah. Wow. Holy shite, man. Jeez. Yeah. Everyone just long AITX. This thing is freaking gone. Wow, I didn't even notice it yesterday. I actually really like this. I may have to buy like 1,000 shares. What would 1,000 shares even be? Decimals are hurting my head this morning. So what if I took like a $2,000 position? 40,000 shares. Holy shit. Seems like a lot. All in yesterday on what? Tesla? No, I still have some cash left. I bought a few others. I mean, I'm pretty deep in my Tesla trade. Oh, AIT. I was joking about that. If I said that, I was joking about it. You have 25,000 still? What did I say? 40,000? Geez, this seems like a lot. What's the level two? Oh, I see. I can do 40,000. Yee, I'm not used to buying 40,000 now. I'm just kind of scared of that. But I do like this. Yeah, 200,000. Good God. Screw it. What do you mean margin order buy? The fuck you talking about? Clients are entitled to market order. Oh, it's a market order. Bastards. 13. I thought the low was 17. This is where this platform gets retarded. Like, I actually want to buy this. How the fuck do I buy it? Trade. So it says limit, but I can't tell you the limit. Like I'm very confused. I'm very, very confused. Yeah, see? Why so confused? Now I can't even buy it because it has to be a stupid limit order. I can buy in level twos and buy 100 at a time. Let's do this 40 times. 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's past 52. Like, seriously, how the fuck am I supposed to do this? It's the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life. Quantity. I don't understand you at all. I don't understand this thing. I have a puppy. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, Ellie. Appreciate that. Very helpful. Not time in sales. Yeah. Instant buy. I'm gonna buy way too much of this stupid thing. I have no idea how this freaking platform's so weird. 1,200. That's ridiculous. Owned a husky? Oh no, I don't hate myself. If it's one thing I know of myself is that I don't hate myself. So yeah, huskies are the devil's dog. Yeah, it's just like 500 bucks. What the fuck, man? Like I don't even know. Stupid. It's way too much trouble. Can I do it here? Yeah, right. Literally kicking it. Go. Go. But yeah, I really have no freaking quantity. No, but that doesn't. Price. Time and force. Auto send. Bid ask. What the fuck, man? First cancel market buy. This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life. All right, NIO back. Let's get back to normal shit. NIO going a little bit above our trend line, so that's good. Tesla holding its own, not as good as NIO at the moment. CellH apparently had some good news. They're gapping up. XPEV bouncing off a very long trend line. And I do think that is a valid trend line, believe it or not. XPEV, NIO, Micron. That's what I was trying to get to. Micron looking good out of a small consolidation from a long-term turnaround play. That looks pretty interesting. Look at Micron, Ellie. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Earnings coming up real quick though. 1.7. Um, Nvidia's using Micron's new chip technology, so that's good. Oh, the drop down arrow next to market buy gives you a bunch of stuff that doesn't matter. It sucks. I'm very annoyed with it right now. All right, Netflix. Nice consolidation. Volume declining very nicely all the way through December. This is looking really good. Tesla, Adobe. I don't see Nvidia up here though. Are they still negative? Yeah, they're freaking negative. Pretty good day yesterday. Starbucks, LPLA. All right, let's go to the downside here. Fubo's dead. Forget about Fubo. Lemonade consolidating. Not too bad. Needs lower volume. Planetar looks like it is moving in the other direction, which is not good. NCLH. Fiverr maybe looking to find support off a trend line. EXPI. We still it's breaking some trend lines. Not very good right there. All right, Very Fine Foods not looking good at all. Royal Caribbean, Weibo. GC, Winnebago, Workhorse. Most of these not in favor right now. Market's kind of shifted. We're also not really running anything at the moment. Not really. So if you do have some profits, especially on newer trades, I definitely suggest not holding them for long periods of time. Right now, Beyond Meat, Uber, yeah, nothing's not nothing. There's always a few stocks going, but yeah, UAL stalled. EMD, Okta, maybe chips aren't quite ready yet. I don't know. Soxel's looking good. Yeah, Soxel, here's Soxel, still consolidating, but not looking bad. BNGO trade. What was that one? All right, so there's Nvidia. I may have to trim that position. I don't know. Yeah, I really don't like my account going down. I'm allergic to that, and I think that's a good thing. Not as confident in Nvidia as I am a Tesla. Looks like Tesla's pulling just a little bit, sitting at yesterday's high. Myrna, it's Moderna, COVID vaccine, they pulled back to the 50-day moving average. So far, haven't figured out what they want to do with it. Oops. Come on. All right, so sell edge coming in a little bit, not extending up after the gap. XPEV is finding some support at the 50-day. That one's not looking too bad. That's that's looking like it could try to base out then curl up. NIO going for it. I think I had an NIO trade on the table. Yeah, there it is. Going to 95, which would be basically a double from here. So 302% gain, and that would take until May, which I don't even think it would take until May, but that's according to extension trend line here. It does appear that NIO is doing really good there. All right, so NIO May 21st, 45 strike was 302, now 229. Probably push that back to April, but 229 is not bad. I was trying to get close to that 57 strike, or the 57 break even point, which would be relatively simple to not lose money on that one. You're not gaining as much as you could, but a bit of a safer trade. And it's still not bad. 521, $40 strike. Not bad. Yeah, I think Ellie bought AstraZeneca actually, if I remember correctly. ASZ or something like that. All right, Riot still up 4. NIO up 4. Tesla's not on here. Tesla's now negative. Netflix, a Micron. I do like Micron up here too. That is a very tidy little bull flag. Although earnings coming up in about a week. That's going to cause a problem. Hey Rob, what's up? Got a lot of exclamation points there. You excited? Oh, Visa broke out yesterday. I saw this late yesterday that Visa broke out. Oh, AITX at the top 30? That's funny. Number 24 today? Yeah, I mean, it is good news. Yeah, we'll see what my $200 trade does. All right, so NAO pulling back a little bit. XPEV may start to as well. Looks like Tesla's. Yeah, we're just floundering about right now. I don't know. Probably the January. The saying goes that as January goes, so does the rest of the year. We'll see how the first couple weeks of January go. Um, right now, it just does appear that the market is biding its time until it figures out what it wants to do. I don't know. Politics with stimulus and fucking America's weird, man. I'm telling you, some weird shit over here. Hi, James. You have markers? What are you doing, bud? You want to draw? Huh? A black? They're gonna be next to the kitty litter. That's where all the stuff is right now. If we have a black piece of paper, I don't know if we do. The whole aliens thing. What aliens thing? A new aliens movie coming out? That'd be pretty cool. Micro Netflix. Facebook was fumbling. Looks like it's positive today. It's a little bit like Nvidia. Nvidia going the other direction. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Something about a 180-day countdown until they release some information. Yeah, COVID includes a 180-day countdown for the Pentagon. They shove so much crap into these bills. It's ridiculous. All it knows about UFOs within 180 days. Who cares? Yes, government is retarded. Huh? No black paper? Why do you need black paper, bud? We don't really stock black paper. It's hard to write on. Hold on a minute, guys. All right, I'm back. All right, what changed? What changed? XPEV and NIO leading the pack today. Some Chinese automakers here today. Netflix, ooh, wow, extended up pretty nice today. Nice extension this morning, even though earnings are coming up. Micron still extended up here. Oh, Micron has earnings too? They both have earnings. Really quick. Don't think we can trade today? We can trade any day, Ellie. Doesn't mean we should, but we can. Oh yeah, something I was going to talk about earlier is Visa broke out. Didn't have breakout volume, unfortunately, but it did make an all-time high. So Rob should be up $73 on Visa, which means that MasterCard probably isn't too far behind. Probably not too far behind. So those are some big cap names looking to get started here in the new year. Why is AITX on such a PLNHF pattern? PLNHF pattern. Yeah, little flag. Just a little tiny flag guy. Yeah, looks pretty good. AITX, so they're a tiny AI security company, like premises security, think security guards, and they got a contract with I think the company's FedEx. No, they haven't said it's FedEx, but it fits their description, and that is based on an exhausting 3.5 minutes worth of research. But yeah, they got a nice contract with FedEx for on-premise security, and they're going from nothing to maybe something. So we'll see, but quite a bit of volume stepping into them. Good technicals. The story's good, but usually with some of those types, I've been involved with similar projects, literally on the ground. I used to install some energy management systems, and the way that those corporations, it was for Walgreens, so I got a little bit of an insight into kind of how some of these processes can work. They'll monitor this for 6 months to a year before they actually pull triggers on some other stuff, unless it's just crazy good, which I don't know how they can ascertain that in under 6 months from a corporate level. So it's pretty. Anyway, it could take a while for AITX to really play out well, but hey, if they have a good solution, then there goes your night job, and then you got to invest in the stock to make any money. Up 60% in V from COVID, underperformer. Yeah, well, they're going to underperform, Rob, but that's the reason. Robotic assisted devices announced dealer agreement with Civitas Group. No kidding. Is that the uh, is that the clothing manufacturer that does clothing for service businesses? No, that's Cintas. That's Cintas, not Civitas. I don't know what Civitas is. Oh, this was like 2 weeks ago. Security companies in Romania. Civitas broadened its offering to include RAD's autonomous security solutions. So they're making big moves, yeah. Yeah, Rob stumbled across a possible good one here. Faux show. Tesla point 0.21, Adobe, Starbucks, NIO, XPEV, Netflix is up, Facebook's up, Snap's up. Snap's been looking fairly interesting lately. Visa, everywhere you want to be. What do I say in BTC right here? I don't know. Last time I looked, it was kind of floundering around a little bit. Well, definitely a lot of wicks down here. So there is some distribution. There's lack of buying pressure. They're just basically buying the dips, is what they're doing. Yeah, they did say US, Rob. I'm pretty sure it's FedEx. I mean, again, 3.5 minutes of intense Google searching is, you can't argue with that. You just can't. Try. Good luck. Yeah, I don't think BTC is too bad right here. I think it's probably going to go sideways for the rest of the day and then maybe go up tomorrow. I don't know. We're getting a little bit of distribution, but look at my volume aggregation tool. It's freaking very, very bullish. I got no issues with BTC at the moment. All right, so Apple, how's RH doing? Not really on our radar that much anymore. Amazon is on our radar. Roku has been on a crazy tear since my long-term turnaround entry, which I didn't take. Yeah, I definitely need to do more work. So much more work. But yeah, Roku, very nice right there. Amazon down a little bit, but not bad. Nvidia coming back. Actually, looks like it may have just come and tested a trend line right there. Okay, not too mad at that. Roku, AMD, GMed. Trying to take some of these off of my highlighted list if I'm not watching them anymore. Beyond Meat, not looking good at all. EXPI, like it, but don't need to watch it right now. GDLC, still not sure why this is down in the dumps. I don't know how much of this is BTC, but it's a weird one. Donkey Kong. All right, we'll take that off of watch. Uber, I'll take that off of watch. Looks good though. JD, tricky. Ring looks really nice with this consolidation going on the past 6 months. That could turn into a winner. Do you have support at the 200-day moving average? All our moving averages are converged right now. Almost all within the breadth of this one candle. Super nice for Ring. Is this Ring Central or which Ring is this? Oh, this is the Gold Miners ETF. I always think this is something else. All right, so Gold Miners ETF consolidating. Gold is consolidating, guys. Who'd have thought it? NASDAQ positive. That's good. Space, the final frontier. Rocket Mortgage, not looking very momentumy right now. Still consolidating. There's the Roku, AMD. Keep that highlighted. XPEV. KGKG's going, Rob. Getting some good ones there, buddy. So that's having a good day. Up 10% right now. Cell H12, Riot still up. Nice. XPEV. I do like the Micron. I'm liking the Micron here. See if there's a trade on the table for Micron. We just saw Baidu take off from a very similar pattern. And then if we're super lucky, we'll get a measured move out of it, which looks like it would take us to near 100. Not quite, 94. But also earnings coming up, so probably not much to do here. But it is Micron, and they are being used extensively. Wife's up 80% in KGKG. There you go. Looks good. Trying to think of it. Yeah, most of these measured moves on some of these stocks don't work out very well, but I don't know what else you can do. There we go. Makes the volume. Look how nice the volume looks. Super in this whole multi-year consolidation. The breakout on a little bit of extra volume. And that could measure move out actually. All right, so that puts us up at if that is indeed our low, that could measure move us out into March. We can give it to April. It's not even that good of a gain. 25%. Oh, I guess it's pretty good. Yeah, I could take a Geez, that's pretty high. 75 is the high. All right, so pretty boring end of the year here to the market so far. We'll see what happens. Maybe some shenanigans towards the end of the day, but I think Micron's got some legs here. Yeah. All right, guys. I think I'm out of here. It's already 8:09. These days go by quick when I got to get up at 7:30. I don't like them. But all right, guys. I'm gonna bounce. You guys have a good one. I will see you on Monday. No market tomorrow. Stay safe out there. Um, I mean, Nasdaq's sitting right up here at highs, so I think we should have a pretty good 2020. At least I hope so. Unless it's gonna be like the year 2000 where we just die on New Year's, but I don't know. Doesn't feel that way. All right, everyone. I'm gonna get out of here. You guys pull back on an NDM. You mean wait for a pullback, or it's going to pull back? I mean, it could. Definitely a few selling candles up there. Yeah, it's in a pattern. I'm not. Oh, just pullback buy. Um, Not quite. I mean, I would wait probably at least till the 10-day hits some kind of supporting. Looks like the 20-day is supporting it right now. Better pullback would be to wait till the 20-day. So, all right, everyone, have a great day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Or I'll see you guys Monday. Happy New Year. Stay safe. I'll see you Monday. Bye.